listen, this video that you are watching right here, you are not watching this video by accident. This is your confirmation that everything will be okay only if you follow this success formula. This success formula changed my life. So come over here, let me show you guys this success formula, right? We are at the whiteboard. Now, before we get started, we're going to talk about why a lot of traders fail, okay? And we're going to talk about a lot more. But I want you guys to understand, please watch this full video because at the end, I'm going to give you guys the success formula, okay? This one changed my life. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Ben, aka Day Trading Addicts. Shout out to all my addicts out there because you know I ain't the only one that's addicted to these markets now. And what I do on this channel, I help struggling traders get to the next level, okay? Because I know trading itself could be, just a hard game where you can't understand it, right? I know because I've been through this, guys. 8 years, okay? 8 years, guys. It took me, right? I was depressed, crying, trust me, whatever you've been through, whatever you're going through right now, times that by 10. Trust me, I've been through it. So I'm here to guide you guys. I'm here to help you out, right? So hit that subscribe button, hit those like buttons because this is the channel that you need. Now, we're going to talk about why, okay, a lot of traders are having a hard time when it comes to trading, okay? Now, you have to understand, guys, trading itself is not natural, okay? This is why we are having a hard time with trading. It's not natural, right? A lot of stuff that's around us is not natural, guys. This is not it. This is not, nature. You have to understand back in the days in the beginning of time, right? We had everything. We had food. We had, everything that we needed, guys. It was right in front of us. We didn't have no supermarkets. We didn't have none of this stuff. But of course, greed. People are greedy, so they want to change things around. It is what it is. So we have to adapt. But I'm letting you guys know that trading is not natural, okay? It's not. We have all the food that we want, guys. We don't need money. Money is not natural. So when we are trying to get money and we're trying to learn a skill that is not really natural, okay, it's going to be hard. I'm going to let you guys know for a fact it's going to be hard because it's not natural. But it is what it is. We have to adapt. And also, we have to live in this society that glorifies winning, right? They praise winners, right? Everything is about winning. Yes, win. We got to win, right? But when it comes to trading, guys, guess what? It's not all about winning. You have to lose sometimes in order to win. Like, for example, right? When I trade, I might take a loser or two, but at the end of the day, I might be green because guess what? My winners can actually outdo my losers and I can actually be up for the day, right? You have to understand that. Sometimes you might have to take a loser or two and then have that one winner that will take out all your losers and then put you up for the day. Even if you have a losing day, you have to understand you might have a losing day during the week. But guess what? At the end of the week, me personally, at the end of the week, I'm expecting a paycheck. Even if I have a losing day or two, at the end of the week, I'm expecting a paycheck, right? So you have to understand, you have to be able to lose in order to win when it comes to trading, right? So let's talk about the things you need in order to be the top 10%. So let's talk about that. Let me erase this, all right? Number one, guys, you need to learn how to last, all right? You'll need to learn, right? And excuse my handwriting, how to last, right? And I basically this is a touch screen, and my daughter broke my pen, so I had to do it with my finger. But it is what it is, right? Now, you have to learn how to last, especially if you want to be the top 10%, guys, right? If you want to be in the top 10%, you have to learn how to last. Right? How do you expect to be a full-time trader if you're ready to give up in a week or two? Are you kidding me? You're ready to give up? It's only a week? It's only a 1 month? It's only a year and you're ready to give up? Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, you have to understand, you have to learn how to last. You have to outlast every single hater that you have, right? Your family is probably hating on you right now. Your friends is probably hating, saying, "Oh man, that's a scam. Don't do that. There's no way people can make money from day trading. Don't do that." Blah, 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 right? You have to outlast every single hater. You have to outlast every single negative thought that you have in your head right now, guys. Right? Every single negative thought that you have in your head right now, you have to outlast that. You have to understand, guys. Let's say that there's 100 people right here, right? And let's say you started trading today and 100 people started with you. Don't you know a year or 2 years from now, out of, the 100, it's probably going to be only 10 people left. And 2 years after that, it's probably only going to be 2 people left. Now, don't you know that even, let's say that those 2 people are not successful yet. Let's say they're still struggling, right, with trading. Don't you know the odds are still in their favor because they lasted, guys? They outlast the competition. So they still have, right, the ability to become a successful trader because they outlast everybody. And you have to do the same thing too, guys. Outlast all of your problems. You have to understand your problems can't last forever. It's impossible. It can't stay dark forever, guys. You have to understand that. It cannot stay dark forever. It's impossible. That's not how the universe works. And we're going to talk about that later with my success formula, okay? So make sure you don't quit, guys. Look at me. 8 years. Imagine if I quit the first year. All right? Now, let's go to number 2, guys. Number 2, you have to have, let me erase this. All right? Number 2, guys, you have to have a proven strategy. Proven, right? Strategy, guys. Right? Like I said, excuse my handwriting. All right, so now you have to have a proven strategy, okay? How the heck are you planning to be the top 10%, right? You want to be in the top 10%, but you don't have a proven strategy. Like, come on, guys. You are playing with millionaires, billionaires, math wizards, the smartest guys on the planet. And you want to come in the market and basically do no work, right? And just watch one video on YouTube, and all of a sudden you think you can actually outdo all those guys, the smartest guys on the planet? Come on, guys. You have to have a proven strategy, okay? So that means you have to back test. Yes, it takes time to back test, right? The only way that I know to skip that process, right, is to actually get a successful trader and follow his strategy, okay? But you have to back test and then figure out what works and what doesn't work, okay? Now, when I back test, man, I just don't do 1 month, 2 months. No, that's not enough. I'm doing years. I'm going years back. I'm going 4 years back, 5 years back, right? I want to make sure my strategy works. Plain and simple. Your strategy should include, right, your stop loss, your exits, right? How much you're going to risk per trade. If I get stopped out, am I going to re-enter? Things like that, guys. You have to have everything mapped out in advance, because you can't, when you see that trade, guys, you just got to attack. There's no thinking involved. You can't think. You have to attack. So when you see that trade, boom, you attack. You know everything. You know your exit. You know your stop loss. You know where you're going to enter at. You know everything. Okay? And once you know everything, guess what, guys? You are not a trader anymore. You are a waiter, right? You're just waiting for the next quality setup, right? That's how you become a full-time trader. Look at my live streams. When I go live, guys, you look at me. I'm not forcing trades. I'm just chilling. I'm telling you guys, listen, I'm looking for a trade, but I don't see nothing right now. Look at my lives. Look at my live streams when I'm trading live in front of you guys. My YouTube live streams. Okay? I'm just chilling, waiting for the best setup that I like. Right? So let's go to number 3, guys. If you want to follow if you want to basically be the top 10%, guys, you have to follow your strategy, guys. All right? Follow your strategy. And like I said, excuse my handwriting. It is what it is. Follow your strategy, guys. Don't you know that you can actually turn a winning strategy into a losing strategy if you mess around with just one little thing? Stop moving your stop loss, right? That's your strategy didn't say move your stop loss. Come on, guys. This is a business. You have to treat it like a business if you want to be in that top 10%. Right? So make sure you follow your strategy. Stop, getting mad every time you take a loss, right? And then you want to revenge trade. Revenge trading, guys, is not part of your strategy, so stop it. Okay? And then let's go to the fourth one, guys, right? The fourth one is copy, right? Successful people. You're just going to put copy here, right? Copy. Copy, guys, successful people. Okay? You have to copy successful people. Guys, copy successful people. Copy the top 10%. If you want to be part of the 10%, you have to copy the 10%. Come on, guys. Stop letting your ego get in the way. Oh, I'm going to do this myself. Oh, man, please. I'm going to show these guys. I'm going to do it myself. Guys, stop it. We're talking about money here. We're talking about changing your life, guys. We're talking about potentially making 6 figures a year, thousands of dollars in a week. And you're talking about, man, forget that. I'm going to try to do this on my own. Guys, I tried it. Trust me. My trading changed when I got around 6-figure traders, 7-figure traders, okay? And they showed me the ropes. That's when my trading, skyrocket. Because I was trying to do everything by myself. Nope. It doesn't work in this game. It's going to be very hard. Trust me. Okay? I know you see a lot of people say, oh, man, everything's on YouTube. Oh, yeah? Is it? So how come you're still struggling right now? Right? You need somebody to sit you down and have some type of organized training to show you step by step what to do. Okay? If you try to do it on your own, it's going to be very hard and it's going to take forever. See, the thing about doing it on your own, you don't even know what to search for. Think about that for a second. Right? Let's say that you want to be a doctor. I can guarantee you, right? You don't know what to search for. Let's say you want to start doing heart surgery. I guarantee you, you don't even know all the terms. You don't even know what to search for. Why do you think it's different when it comes to trading? I guarantee you don't know everything about trading. You don't even know the things to search for. You think everything is on YouTube. No, it's not, guys. Trust me. All right? It's not on YouTube. So you have to understand when you have a mentor, okay? A mentor is going to help you because you're going to have a roadblock. A mentor is going to help you with that roadblock because you're going to have a question and you're going to be stuck and you don't know where to go. And that mentor should help you and say, listen, let me see your problem. Oh, you doing that? Oh, I know what that is. You got to do this. You got to do that. Oh, for real? Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, now I see it. Okay. That's what a mentor is supposed to do. Help you out. Actually, let me play this clip real quick for you.
If you want to master a skill, if you want to achieve your goal, you are going to need to find mentors and models to get you to that goal. The quickest way that a human brain can learn any new skill, learn any new craft, is to find someone who's already a master, to look and observe someone who's already a master of that craft, and to model them, to do what it is that they do. So you find who is the best. Who is the best in that field that you want to go into, the craft you want to master, the game that you want to win. Who is already the best? Who is the master of that game? Who's achieved what you want to achieve? Who has what you want to have? Who lives the kind of life that you want to live? Find out who those people are. It'd be preferable if they're still alive today, because then it's up-to-date information on how to specifically apply their skill sets. But find who those people are and then do whatever you can, whatever you have to get around them and to look at what they do in their life.
Now, shout out to that guy. I forgot his name, but I saw that clip on YouTube. And basically, what he's saying is, it's best to copy people that are already successful, so you can skip that process of, just trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work, right? Now, let's go to the success formula, guys, because I really want you guys to see this success formula. So let's get to it, okay? Now, let me erase this. Now, you have to understand, the success formula, guys, is very, very simple, but you really have to understand it, okay? Let's go. This is the success formula. You learn. I want you guys to write this down, guys. Learn, do, and improve. Okay? Write that down, guys, please. I'm not kidding. Write this down. This is the success formula that I use, right? You learn, you take action, and then you improve. Okay? Most people, they do number one. They learn a little bit, okay? A lot of people don't even take action. Half of the people take action. But I guarantee you, a lot of people don't do the third step, guys, which is improve. You have to basically look at your mistakes and make sure you don't repeat your mistakes, guys. This is a very, very important piece right here, okay? Why is it an important piece? Well, I'm going to show you why. Imagine if you have a warm cup, guys, right? Let's say you had a warm cup. This is a cup, okay, with water, okay? So the water's right here. Now, actually, let's say it was hot, whatever, who cares? You put ice cubes. So let's say you put one ice cube in here, right? You put one ice cube here. Will that ice cube melt? Yes, okay? But what if you put another one here, okay? Is that ice cube going to melt? Yeah, it's going to melt. Put another one. Is that going to melt? Yeah, it's going to melt, but, okay, you're going to realize it's probably not going to melt that fast, okay? Then you're going to put another ice cube, and then you're going to realize, wow, that ice cube is melting, but it's staying there, okay? Then you're going to put another one, and then the more ice cubes you put in that hot water, guys, guess what? That hot water is not going to be hot anymore. It's going to become cold. Why? Because it's mathematically impossible for that water to stay hot once you put those ice cubes in the water. It's impossible. Math-wise, it's impossible for that water to stay hot. Now, I want you guys to realize that, right? Every time, I want you guys to understand, guys. Every time you improve, guys, you have to understand it's impossible for you to stay at the same level. Mathematically, it's impossible for you to stay at the same level, guys. I want you to get this. This is very important. This is how I got to the next level. I said to myself, guys, if I learn from all my mistakes, if I keep on saying, okay, man, I'm moving my stop loss here. I can't do that, man. I gotta stop moving my stop loss, okay? And then, oh, okay, I'm basically taking my profit too quick. Oh man, I gotta stop. Guys, don't you know every time you improve, it's like you, right, putting an ice cube, right, an ice cube, and into this hot water. Every time you improve, it's like you putting an ice cube into this hot water. Eventually, you're gonna see success, because it's impossible. Math-wise, it's impossible, guys, for you to stay at one level. Math-wise, it's impossible for you to stay at the same level if you keep improving, guys. Every time you improve, guess what? You're going up the steps, guys. Every single time. And eventually, you're going to hit success. This is why I said to myself, listen, I don't care if it takes me 10 years, okay? Let's say that I live up to 100 years old, right? Guess what? 10 years is only 10% of my life. Who cares? because I was following this success formula. I said to myself, it's impossible for me to lose 100% of the time if I'm always improving. Impossible. Because that's how nature works. It's impossible for someone to lose 100% of the time. Trust me, guys. If you improve, yes, you can lose 100% of the time only if you don't improve. You have to improve, guys. Once you improve every single time, you're going up the steps, guys. And eventually, boom, you're going to see success. It's how it works, guys. It's how the universe works, guys. Trust me on this one, right? So make sure you follow this success formula. It's going to change your life, guys. Listen, this is the end of this video. I'm glad you guys watched this whole video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to basically learn how I'm able to do this full time from home, guys, go to the link in the description. All right. I have a promotion going on where I'm giving you guys a discount, and basically you're going to be mentored by me, right? You're going to learn all the stuff that I know. I've been doing this for 13 years. You're going to learn all this stuff, guys, right? I'm not holding anything back. You're going to learn that stuff, and you're going to have access to me. Any questions that you have, you can private message me, because we have a private group in the Discord. Okay, you can private message me, and you can learn all my secrets. That certain secrets I can't show you guys on YouTube, right? Certain things I can't show you guys on YouTube. So I want to show you guys, do this training videos. Make sure you go to that link. This is my group right here, guys. When you get in the group, guys, you have the ability to message me anytime you want if you have any problems, guys. Listen, I'm a type of dude. I'm not looking at you as a number. Most of these guys, they look at you like a number, right? They care. All they care about the dollar signs. Listen, if you get my program and you're stuck and you can't figure something out, guess what? I want you to send me your chart ASAP so I can look at your chart and see what's going on. Why are you having problems? That's what I'm going to do for you, right? Now I'm going to show you guys real quick something. This is actually yesterday, one of my students right here, he bought right here. I think this was NASDAQ. Got a quick buy off of that, okay? Make some quick cash off of that one. And then we have Chavez right here, another one of my students. Took a quick sell right here, okay? And then I want to read what Chavez said yesterday. He said, I swear a week ago, the market would be eating me alive right now, but now I'm eating the market up. Your training got me feeling like Kobe in the clutch. Now, guys, listen, I show you guys my charts, show you guys what I'm looking at. So if you want to learn more, okay, just basically go to the link in the description. If you have any questions, you can reach me on Instagram or email me, guys. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, make sure you have a safe weekend and make sure that you guys be safe. Hit those like buttons, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.